Okay, folks, you and your dog, I want you to start thinking of yourself as a team. You are a team. Okay, but make no mistake about it. I am the captain of our team. With every dog, it is vital that we find a balance, a fair balance, to teach them this. Okay? Here's a great example of teamwork and rules. And if you can't do the little things, guys, in the house, you've got no chance out in the real world. You're fighting with the hawks. Okay? You're fighting with the birds and loons and ducks and geese and other dogs and people and bikes and cars. So here we go. Bring it. Drop. Good. Finish. Good. Wait. I'm the captain. I go first. Okay. Now it's her turn. Good. Drop. Good. Place. Wait. Now it's my turn. We're fair, but I start everything. Okay? Yes. Yeah. 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 Right, guys? Silly little game about relationship and respect and rules. Yes. God bless.